We're familiar with the pattern by now. Every few years, a new study emerges with new obesity statistics. The numbers seem shockingly high, almost impossibly high, until the next study comes along with numbers that are higher still. Today, 42% of American adults are classified as obese, and an additional 30% are considered overweight. Whatever is happening, it is happening to a remarkable number of us. The astonishing increase in obesity has coincided with an equally astonishing increase in diabetes, which has risen approximately 500% over the last 50 years. And diabetes is only the beginning. The obesity epidemic has put tens of millions of Americans at far greater risk for heart attacks, strokes, Alzheimer's, many of our most deadly cancers and, as we've recently learned, dying of COVID-19. Given the undeniable trend, the most shocking part of the obesity epidemic may be that few health officials or scientific authorities have paused to ask a very simple question: is it possible that our failure to make any progress stems from a scientific oversight? Is it possible that we have misunderstood obesity this entire time? The prevailing wisdom on obesity has not gone entirely unchallenged. Over the last 2 decades, a small but growing number of doctors, scientists and journalists have argued that we have, in fact, fundamentally misunderstood the science of what makes us fat. These challengers have long seemed like underdogs, rebels hurling rocks at a well-fortified scientific dogma. But that perception may now be changing. This month, Harvard Medical School professor David Ludwig and 16 other prominent scientists, clinical researchers and public health experts published a perspective in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition that spells out the problems with the current model of obesity and puts forward a positive,